वेरी गुड इवनिंग। KBR पार्क पर यंग फाउंडेशन की टीम यहाँ पर मौजूद है और जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं हमारे साथ एक मेहमान हैं यहाँ पर। और यंग फाउंडेशन के जैसे कि आज 11 सितंबर को यूथ अगेंस्ट स्पीड के ज़रिए इस कैंपेन को चलाया जा रहा है और 3 साल से हम लोग ये कैंपेन चला रहे हैं। और यूथ अगेंस्ट स्पीड का आज 11 सितंबर को ख़ास तौर पे इस डे को डेडिकेट किया गया है। मेरे साथ मौजूद है यहाँ पर मिस्टर इरफान जो कि ग्रेटर हैदराबाद यूथ एसोसिएशन GHYA के प्रेसिडेंट है। चलते आइए जानते हैं यूथ अगेंस्ट स्पीड के बारे में उनसे और उनके बाद उनसे जानते हैं कि यंग फाउंडेशन के उनके क्या ख्यालात है।
First of all, I greet you everyone and I thank Khaliqul Rahman Saab for making such a great event and to make youth responsible. And it is the need of time when youth should be responsible and they should all come forward to say that speed always thrill but it kills. So thrilling and things which you make happy for a few moments, few time, but rest of thereafter your parents, your families and everyone suffers if something happens to you. So youth is the pillar of the nation and they must be very much responsible because we need youth, because youth only can change the nation and youth only can develop the nation. If we lose youth as we have missed our younger brother Ajmal Rahman, I really pay my tributes to him and I pray Almighty Allah to grant him Jannah. And I always remember that incident what had happened. It was a very tragic incident and this incident, by losing his life, he has given us a great message that if you don't think about speed, if you are neglecting your safety, what will happen? And we have seen what had happened and we don't want this thing to be happen again. And I salute Khaliqul Rahman Saab for taking this initiative, because most of the people when such things happen they just cry and they just sit back at their homes. But Khaliqul Rahman Saab, I really congratulate you, because of you came forward and you miss a single child and you are giving message to the lakhs and thousands child. I really thankful to you and your organization, and I again request you, so please be responsible, please control your speed, and only one speed which we require is to speeding development of the nation. Thank you.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. As we all are aware that Mr. Irfan runs GHYA. Mr. Irfan, being a representative of Young Foundation, I just want to share a few facts of Times of India, which says that in India, India faces 1 accident per minute, and our nation faces 1 death in 3 minutes. That too because of speed. So do you have any plans and your intentions regarding GHYA, under the banner of GHYA, to spread some to collaborate with us to spread this type of awareness?
At the day one this organization was started, the day one Khaliqul Rahman Saab took the initiative. I was with the organization, I am always with the organization, and anytime, any moment, whenever the requirement of the youth and the awareness, for the purpose of awareness, I am always supportive and I will be along with your organization, definitely.
We really appreciate your efforts and we expect the same in future.
Thank you.